Hi and welcome to another CODEWARS challenge. Today we're dealing with a 7Q1 convert the score. You are working at a lower league football stadium and you have been tasked with automating the scoreboard. The referee will shout out the score. You have already set up the voice recognition module which turns the ref's voice into a string. But the spoken score needs to be converted into a pair for the scoreboard. Example, the score is 4-0, should return 4-0. Either team's score has a range of 0 to 9 and the ref won't say the same string every time. New score 2-3, 2-2, another goal 2-0. Okay, let's think about the solution and jump into the CODEWARS console. Alright, so we are in the CODEWARS console. I will be using JavaScript, but you can use some other languages as well. So first of all, I think we would need some kind of a mapping table. So let's create ourselves an array where there will be this new nil key of 0, then we have a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. All right. And then what we would like to do. I'm thinking from this example that the referee will always say like the last two words of the string will be those data. So let's maybe do a const score. If we would split the string, string split on a space, then we should get each individual words. So let's do here, let's say words, and then we would like to get the score, which would consist of words length -1, -2, which this would be a first one, and the third words. We need to do a words length. Words length -2, and here words length -1. In this particular case, we should receive an array of scores, an array with 1 and the second value as a string, and then we would need to map it. So we will return an array of score map on score 0 and map on score 1. Let's see if it will work. Alright, the basic ones are passed. Let's do a full suit. Yeah, everything passes. Yeah, so just to get very briefly to that, we are getting a string, we are creating a mapping of the words to numbers, then we are splitting the string to each individual words, we are creating an array, or actually we would be able to refactor that. We could take the first element of the score and second element of the score, but let's leave it at that. So we are creating a score array which consists of two elements. The first element is the second from the last word and then the last word. So if we had those, let's say in this sample test, we have 4-0, so the 4 will be at score 0, 0 will be at score 1, and the same here, like 2 will be at score 0, 3 will be at score 1, and then we are just returning an array, which we needed to do, and we are using the mapping to get the values out of the string. So that's basically it. See ya next time.